Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial you will learn how to fix Call of Duty Black Ops 7 crashing on PC. So if Call of Duty Black Ops 7 open beta crashing on startup or crashing to desktop on PC, then here follow the fixes to solve this problem. Fix 1. Turn off HDR. Launch Call of Duty Black Ops 7. Navigate to in-game settings, graphics, display. Now look for an HDR or high dynamic range option and set it to off. Now relaunch the game and check. This has solved the issue for many players. I hope this will work for you as well. Alternatively, go to your PC settings, system, display, HDR and toggle the switch to off position. Now restart the game and then check. Fix 2. Try windowed mode. Launch Call of Duty Black Ops 7. Navigate to settings, graphics, display. Change display mode to windowed mode. Now relaunch the game and then check. So I hope by following these fixes you will be able to fix Call of Duty Black Ops 7 crashing at startup, crashing to desktop issue on PC. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.